Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Jackman Road Elementary School in Temperance, Michigan, home of the Kicking Mules. Outside the gym here, the multi-purpose room where we just had two programs again on diversity and the need for human kindness. I love these murals all across the school. Almost every 10 feet you walk, it says something about kindness, but this one right here says it's cool to be kind. And the programs themselves that took place in the gym here, obviously touched my heart as well, because I got a lot of feedback afterwards from some of the students that, just shared some of their pain that they're going through, whether it's a disability, some type of difference of them, something that they can't control, maybe their height, maybe one of their sensory signals, just certain things about them that unfortunately people sometimes will target and look to, point and kind of make fun of, but we don't always have to believe that, right? There's a lot of opinions out there, but not all of them matter. What matters is what we believe and what our true best friends believe, which is hopefully this, right? We always talk about this in all my programs, but in particular this one today, that we are all true miracles with the lines on our hand. And I trace one of mine again. And that M does stand for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. So we have to always believe this, be that light to others' hearts as well, but also believe this too, that we need to show more kindness. This world needs a lot more of it. We need human kindness. And my friend and I designed this a few years back, the peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin, the central logo for today's presentation. There's also two people inside the heart because, true kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves. We have to show it to others too, right? We have to go and show that unconditional love as well. And that means love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider or skinnier, different skin color, if they're disabled or not, if they wear glasses or don't, we can still try to show this love, right? And hopefully rise above any preconceived assumptions or judgments or stereotypes and get to really know who this person is, because with diversity, it's what makes schools like this amazing. It's what brings that life, to places like this, that if we were all the same, it'd be very boring. But the fact that we're all different, we can all grow from each other and all learn from each other. Part of that true education piece, of course, it's in the books and in the classrooms, but it's also from the interactions with our friends and teachers and just everybody who is a part of this school community. And, it's just an honor to always come back. There's a lot of pin drop moments today through the various videos that I played, the positive music, the hand motion rap, the rap at the end with a beat, just the heartfelt stories. The kids really do relate to this, and I could tell that it left an imprint and hopefully will for days to come. So thank you all for touching my heart. Keep appreciating that diversity on the outside and on the inside, right? Not only of yourself, but of those around you, and keep shining that light. Hope to see you all again in the future. As always, though, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.